In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo compound clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever combined clips into a compound clip and then later decided you want to go back to the original separate clips, the good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes this very simple. This is useful when you need to make changes to individual clips again, adjust timing, or access edits that were hidden inside the compound clip. To get started, go to your timeline and find the video clip that has already been turned into a compound clip. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip, because this process will affect the compound clip you choose and return it to its earlier form on the timeline. Once you've found it, click on the compound clip to highlight it. This lets DaVinci Resolve know exactly which item you want to work with. After it's selected, right-click on the clip to open the context menu. This menu contains several editing options, and the one you're looking for is the option called Decompose in Place. Go ahead and click Decompose in Place. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will give you a choice for how you want to decompose the compound clip. From here, select Using Clips Only. This is the setting that restores the original clips back into your timeline without keeping the compound clip structure. After you choose that option, the compound clip will be undone and your clips will return to their original states. That means instead of seeing one combined clip, you'll once again see the separate clips that were inside it before it was compounded. This is especially helpful if you need more precise control over your edit, because once the clips are separated again, you can trim them individually, move them around, or apply changes to each one on its own. It's a quick way to regain flexibility in your timeline without having to rebuild the edit manually. One helpful tip is to take a quick look at your timeline after decomposing, just to confirm everything came back the way you expected. If your compound clip contained multiple elements, this can help you make sure all the original parts are now visible and editable again. And that's all there is to it. Just select the compounded clip, right-click it, choose Decompose in Place, then select Using Clips Only, and your clip will return to its original state.